student, today my topic is fructose or levulose or fruit sugar. The formula of fructose is C6H12O6. It is an important ketone having ketonic group, that is C double bond O. Its molecular formula is C6H12O6. In free state it is found in fruits and honey. Naturally occurring fructose is levorotatory. That is why it is also called L-fructose or levulose. It is sweetest sugar. It is 1.7 times sweeter than cane sugar. Now come to method of preparation. From sucrose hydrolyzed, that means treated with water, and HCl or H2SO4. When sucrose in both of these acid treated with one of these acid with the water, it forms glucose and fructose. After hydrolysis, both glucose and fructose added with calcium hydroxide, that is milk of lime. Then glucose forms soluble calcium glucosate, while fructose form insoluble calcium fructosate, which is filtered off and carbon dioxide pass in it. When this is filtered off, then carbon dioxide pass in it, which decomposes calcium fructosate into fructose and calcium carbonate, which is filtered off. The filtrate is concentrated when crystalline fructose is obtained. This is the reaction where the fructose is treated by calcium hydroxide and it changes into calcium fructosate. This calcium fructosate again treated with carbon dioxide and form fructose and calcium carbonate. Now from insulin reside in our pancreas. It is a polysaccharide which give fructose on hydrolysis by dilute H2SO4. When this insulin treated with water and H2SO4, it forms fructose. Now physical property, it is crystalline solid, melts at 104 degrees centigrade. It is sweetest among all sugar, 2 times sweeter than the sucrose, completely soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol, insoluble in ether, and it's levorotatory. Now come to oligosaccharides. They are those carbohydrates which on hydrolysis yields 2 to 10 monosaccharides unit. On the basis of molecule, they are named as disaccharide. If they are distributed in two molecule, then it is known as disaccharide. When it depart in 3, then it is known as trisaccharide, tetra, penta, and so on. For example, sucrose, lactose, raffinose, starchiose. Now this is divided into 3 parts: sucrose, lactose, and maltose. First we discuss sucrose. Now sucrose have formula C12H22O11 or cane sugar. This on hydrolysis, when this sucrose hydrolysis with water, they form fructose, glucose and fructose. Because they are just depart into 2 parts, that is why they are disaccharides. Now industrial preparation: extraction of juice. The stem of sugar cane crushed by roller mills repeatedly and extract about 98 to 99% juice. Next is purification of juice. Juice is brown in color, contain 15 to 20% sucrose with glucose, fructose, organic and inorganic acid, protein and impurities. It is purified by several steps. First step is desiccation. Raw juice treated with lime, that is pH is 7.2, just beside the water pH, and heated by the steam. Organic and inorganic acid converted into insoluble calcium, salt and protein coagulates. They are separated by filtration. Sucrose is converted into calcium sucrosate. Now clarification of juice, that is carbonation. When CO2 pass through cane juice, after desiccation, calcium precipitates out as carbonate and calcium sucrosate decomposed to sucrose. This is the reaction. When this react with each other, they form calcium carbonate and water, and this is the calcium sucrosate. When react with CO2, it forms sucrose and calcium carbonate. Now sulfitation means as treated with SO2. Now in place of CO2, SO2 is treated with the cane sugar. So it just work in 5 steps. It removes calcium in the form of calcium sulfide. It decomposes calcium sucrosate. It decolorizes the juice, that is juice become light in color. It decreases the fermentation of sucrose. It coagulates gum and albuminous substance. Albuminous means the white part of an egg is albumin, consists of albumin. So that type of protein is known as albuminous substance. Now next is decolorization. Juice firstly treated with animal charcoal, then color of a juice obtained, then colored juice again treated with SO2, then clarified juice is obtained. Now next is concentration and crystallization. Decolorized juice is concentrated in evaporators, and these are fitted with a spiral tube which pass steam. After that, concentrated juice pass through vacuum pan where separation of sugar takes place. Now separation and drying crystal. Molasses and sugar crystal are separated by centrifugal machine and dried by hot air. Next is refining of sucrose. Raw sucrose used in India, while in foreign countries sucrose dissolved in hot water and passed through the animal charcoal and then crystallized and dried. Now physical property is it is colorless, odorless, crystalline solid, melting point in 185 degrees centigrade, completely soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol, sweet in taste. It is dextrorotatory and show muta rotation, that is positive and negative both, alpha beta both rotation they have, that is why it is known as muta rotation. Now my question is for today, write down the method of preparation of fructose and sucrose. Thank you.